We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to answer the question that is, what are class chips in Call of Duty or COD Mobile? So, to put it simply and short, the class chips are the class unique ultimate ability. So what I mean by that is, firstly, let's open the Battle Royale loadout here. Then over there I wanted to open the class information, so let me go into loadout. Here is the classes list. So for Disrupt class, the class chip is this one, Psychosis. For Stealth it's Grapple Hook. For Support is going to be the Medical Station, Defense Transform Shield, Tracker Sensor Dart, and so on. And just here among the classes you can switch the type inside the class. For Tracker, it's, as you can see, those are Scout, Clown, Mechanic, and so on, and those have the different class chips as well. As you can see, they are getting changed. So I guess that will be pretty much it for this video, guys. That was about everything that I wanted to cover today, so thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.